One of the major roles of detox is to redirect the energy of the body from the consumption of food, which is fasting and metabolism, into self-healing of the body, which naturally happens after 12 to 24 hours after we stop to consume food. The body will naturally start to self-heal, the organs will heal, the bloodstream will start to become clean. Detox is an amazing way to reduce inflammation in the body, amazing way to produce longevity of the body, and it's a great reset of the mind, reset of the spirit, and resetting your internal system to function 120%. At Orion, we have a few different fasting programs. Juice fasting, which is amazing for cellular rebuilding and rejuvenation. Water fasting, which is a great reset and really cleans all the organs. And intermittent fasting, which allows you to eat, just promotes more of the fasting state in the day.